Hello guys, welcome to Tech Hub and kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that yet. In today's episode, we are going to look at some basic skills in using Google Sheets. Basic skills in using Google Sheets. If you haven't used Google Sheets before, this tutorial is going to help you get some basic knowledge about using Google Sheets. So you need to have a Google account before you can use Google Sheets. And if you don't have one, you can quickly create. You can just go type um, Google, and you can just go to Gmail, or you can go to your Gmail. So your Gmail sign up. You can quickly create an account over there and have your Google account. So I have an account already, so we'll quickly go to Google Sheets and see what we can do with. So this Sheets. And with this sheet, you can move it to wherever you want it to be. You can change positions for it. So let it be here. So quickly, let's go to sheets. So when you come to this window, you have templates. You have a lot of templates here that you can use for your projects. We have project timeline. This helps you track your projects. That's the progress of your project. It helps you do that. Then you look at monthly budget. This can also help you, maybe your family budgets or your project budgets. Team roster, to-do list. You have a whole lot of templates here. That monthly budget, a whole lot of templates. You have your Google Finance investment tracker. You have a whole lot of invoice. You have a whole lot of templates that can help you with your project. So with this tutorial, we are going to use the blank sheet. We are going to use a blank sheet. So this is your blank sheet. So when you open your blank sheet, this is what you see, and your title is or your sheet is untitled, and so you can quickly name it. Let's name this tutorial 1. Then you come to the bottom here, your sheet title is sheet 1, so you can also change this to tutorial. Yes, so this is how it looks like. You have all your details on the sheet over here. So you have your rows on this side, then you have your columns. These are your columns. Then when you come here, you can select a font type. The font types are here. You come here, font size. You can select any of them that you want. You can change the text to bold. You can italics, strike through, then the text color. So you have all this here. So this is similar to Excel, but have just some little differences, which we shall highlight in our next video. So let's take the time to quickly create a spreadsheet, a family expenditure spreadsheet, a spreadsheet that we can use to track our expenses. So we can name this January spreadsheet. Here, January. Then come here, so we can put rent here, rent. In January, we'll use 500 cedis for rent. Come to TV subscriptions, which is also maybe 150 cedis in January. Then you come to utility, that can be your light bill and water bill. So utility, you can put 200 cedis. Then we come to groceries, which can also be, let's say, 500 cedis. So this is a simple spreadsheet. So this is tracking our expenditure for the month of January. So this is what we spent, or this amount of money we used for January, our items in January. So let's do the total. So we're going to use the sum function to get a total. So you come to this side, this is the functions where the sum function is here. Click on it, then you select all the values from the first to the last. Enter, it gives you a total for the month of January. So if you want to do this for other months, you just have to click in here, then you bring your cursor to the bottom here, which will change it to a small cross sign, then you, or plus sign, then you move it up to this side. So this gives you the month of February, March, and April. So you can drag it till you get to December. So this is how a simple spreadsheet looks like. So if you want to track your expenses for other months, so you can do for February, you do for March, and you do for April and all the other months. So one good thing about this is if you change any of the values here, let's say you are changing TV subscriptions to 200 cedis, the total value automatically updates, and you don't have to do any manual calculations. Thank you very much for watching, and kindly subscribe to this channel and like our video. Watch out for our next video on another basic skill in using either Google Sheets or Google Slides. Thank you very much.